Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing my order from Hobonichi. I'm really excited to check everything that I got. I did order directly from the website of Hobonichi, and it does come with a separate box. That's why it's pretty clean. The box is really small. It's a little bigger than an A5 notebook, and yeah, it doesn't come with a sticker, which is fine. And I did order a cover which comes separately, but we will check that later. So let's check first what's inside this Hobonichi box. Alright, so a calendar is filled with numbers, days that have passed and days still to come. It's funny. Of all of them, the only one we are living is today. The only day we can reach out and touch is today. So, ta-da! So, this is the freebie, which I hope either the blue one or the brown one. But let's check that a bit later. Okay, I did order just a few items, and I have 2 free pens, and then a clear cover on cover. Let's just put the box over there. Okay, so I ordered a clear cover on cover with these familiar sides design. I thought it's just really cute, and I do hope it goes well with my olive green Hobonichi Weeks. And then I have an avec. This is my first time using an avec. Currently I am using the original one. Okay, so let's open this one. I want to be careful not to ruin the packaging. I'll put this in my journal. Alright. Okay. So I wanted to get the avec because it's divided into 2 books. I believe it's pretty much the same format as the original. Yeah, and until June. Doesn't have a memo at the end, so maybe I'll be getting like a separate memo notebook, but we'll see. July to December, so it still has June here. It's pretty much the same, and it's only in Japanese. So avec only comes in Japanese at the moment. That's that. But since we have opened the avec, I will introduce. Oh, this one. Hold on. This is the Life is Present that comes with the planner. Adorable illustrations as always. So cute. Alright, so let's see the cover so we can try the avec in this cover. Ta-da! I got the Twinkle Tweed cover. Let's open this one. I think about it really hard if I really wanted this cover. Let's see and try the avec in this cover. I'm super excited. I watch a lot of reveals and videos about these. It does come with a dust bag, and it's pretty big. I just hope it's much smaller than this, so it fits just right, or just enough with a cover. But anyway, I'm still thankful that it does come with a dust bag. So alright, so the inside is leather, and it's by that's pretty cool. And this is a problem. Avoid storing or using your product in hot, humid places, which is pretty much my country. So, how? Alright, anyway, thank you for choosing Hobonichi Techo as your paper companion for next year. Alright, so this is the ribbon. I like that it's not too green. It's like a toned down green. Like a teal, more of a teal, blue-green color, and just look how pretty the cover is. Now I'm thinking if I'm gonna get a cover on this one. I really wanted to feel the texture of the cover, but at the same time I also wanted to protect the cover. So we'll see. As for this one, as you can tell, it doesn't have a cover on cover, but I'm also thinking of, getting one to protect it. But yeah, we'll see. I didn't get a cover on cover at this point, as I think I'm gonna use it next year. I don't know, maybe next week, but we'll see. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy. Now let's try putting the avec in this cover. Alright, so let's see. Let's try the January to June cover. And later we'll try my current cover, or my current planner in this cover. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! So happy. Okay, I think it would be perfect, like perfect for me if it will come, or it doesn't have the butterfly pinhole. But don't get me wrong, I still love it, but it would be like an absolute perfection for me if it's the same way as this cover, without the pen, without this big pen holder. But anyway, that's their design, so let's respect that. So yeah, I still love it. Oh my gosh. Now let's try the free pen, and I love the color combination for next year. I was actually looking for my old Hobonichi pens, which are here. I got the 2023 and 2021. I have the 2022, but I don't know if I cannot find it anymore. I know it's somewhere in the house. I just hope I find it, It's just so hard to. Okay. So this is the color for 2024. Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. But of course, I will not be using this pen as much because I'm using my fountain pens. But that's how it is. I'm gonna, transfer some of my charm from this notebook. I mean, these charms to this notebook. But yeah. super exciting to set up, start using it. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Now I really don't know if I have to get a cover and cover because I really love the texture. But at the same time, I want to prolong this cover as long as possible because this is just so precious. Now let's try like using or putting on my current planner into this cover. I have a lot of things in there. So chunky. So this is how it will look like when it's used with just one book and a chunky planner. It's definitely not closing at this point, but it will close eventually since the way I store it is, in between something that it will force to get closed. I am really excited. Oh my gosh, should I start using it? Oh my goodness. See? So this is the hard part here, writing in this edge, but it's not very bad because I don't have as much photos or I don't journal in this planner. It's just a personal daily planner with not much decoration. So yeah, I am really in love. That's how it will look like. Okay, I need to hurry up before the sun goes down. Okay, before I open the weeks that I got, let's see what is the... Oh no. Okay. Yeah, it's the red one. It's the day. It's so tiny. It's super small. It's smaller than I thought. So cute. It's cute, but this is not my favorite design, but I still love how adorable this little guy is. It's so cute. So this is the back. Oh, it's not. Oh my gosh, it doesn't quite fit. It does, but it's kind of awkward. Right. Cute. So cute. Okay, now let's check the weeks. I got the olive green. This is the letter. And it comes with these special, brown paper packaging, which is so cute. I did use weeks last year, and when I saw that there will be an olive green for next year, I just immediately thought of getting it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Does it lay flat? Because the number one thing that I love about the weeks is, of course, its portability and also the ability to lay flat, and it does. I've been, looking for a lot of videos about olive green if it's, it lays flat, and does lay flat. Yay! So I will be using it for my shop planner. I'm really happy about this one, and I'm so glad that I trust my gut that it will lay flat. So I also got this cover and cover. It's alright. Maybe the color will not pop as much if it's in the cover, but let's see. Oh, it does come with these, which you can put on this corner. Whoops. Okay, I think it works. Is it really like there's a small gap there, but I don't mind. So that's how it looks with the cover on cover. I'll take a photo later, but I think it's better without the cover on cover, but we'll make it work. How about you? What do you think? I'm sorry for the change in lighting. I have to turn on the light because it's getting really dark outside. But anyway, that's everything that I got from Hobonichi. I hope you enjoy watching and just seeing all these beautiful things with me. So, do you also plan using Hobonichi next year? What's your favorite cover? Or if you're not using Hobonichi, what's the planner that you're going to use? Let me know in the comment section below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye!